Hi, my name is Hadi and I have a question for you. If we were to analyze everything around us, to know what it's actually made of, and by everything I mean actually everything, not just the Earth, the solar system, but the whole universe, what would we find? The answer is, everything is mostly made of hydrogen. And when I say mostly, I'm not joking. 90% of the whole universe is hydrogen. So if the whole universe was a large pizza, you would only get a small piece that is not made of hydrogen. Or if the whole universe was an apple, well, you get the idea, I love food. Hydrogen is not only everywhere, but it's very important. The first time anyone recognized that hydrogen exists was in 1766. A British scientist called Henry Cavendish named the substance at the time flammable air, and said that hydrogen gas produces water when burned. We now know that if we actually want to perform that reaction of hydrogen and oxygen, to get a large amount of water, we would have to be ready for the large explosion that comes with it. Not really worth it. It wasn't until about 20 years later that a French chemist, Antoine Lavoisier, named the element hydrogen, which can be broken into two Greek words. Hydro meaning water and genes meaning creator. The creator of water. Sounds like a good superhero name actually. Anyway, hydrogen is the simplest chemical element ever. It's the lightest element, that's why it's number 1 in the chemistry periodic table. And its symbol is H. At normal temperature and in everyday life, hydrogen is present as a molecule which is made of 2 atoms of hydrogen. H2 is a gas that has no color, no smell, but is still very explosive. On Earth, hydrogen is mostly present in water. However, everywhere else, very large quantities of hydrogen exist in stars and giant gas planets. Actually, it makes up 3/4 of the mass of our very own sun. So if the sun was actually a big plate of burger with a large side of french fries, okay, I should probably go eat after this. Since hydrogen can create a large amount of energy, it is known as rocket fuel. So those big space shuttles are actually powered by hydrogen. Scientists have been trying to propose hydrogen as a fuel source, even for the cars that we use every day. But if we need this to be a clean, better type of energy, we still need to wait a little more. Hydrogen can serve many other roles, such as its use as a cooling agent and in the petroleum and computer industry. It's also involved in biological reactions in many organisms, such as some types of bacteria. Hydrogen is really everywhere. We can't live without it, and we don't even exist without hydrogen.